solar industry right now is exploding, not only in Illinois and in Missouri, but all over the United States.
It just seems to be the way of the future. From what I see, I think you're going to see quite a few more the farms and homeowners trying to benefit from the sun's energy.
It's getting really big. Everybody's going to it because they can supply their own power and make profit off it. I would think there's going to be a lot more work coming up with this because everybody's getting into it. You know, they're tired of paying these high rates.
Well, we continue to get more apprentices in the program, and with taking the training we have here, you get a solar qualification for installing the panel. So we install anything to do with the racking or the framing, structural components.
Considering the work and helping the environment and everything else, it's a good job to get into and do it for 20, 30 years, and you can retire and have a nice little retirement package.